All right, CNT 1010, welcome to week 4. So this week the topic is all about concrete. We're going to look at, in chapter 7, we're going to look at exactly what concrete is, what it's made of, what types of concrete, strengths, reinforcements, things like that. In chapter 8, we're going to look at cast-in-place concrete, which is probably what you've seen most often. Things like pouring a sidewall, pouring a foundation, pouring basement walls, those types of things. Those are cast in place. And we'll talk about the different usages, when it's appropriate, when it's not appropriate, those types of things, what goes into it. And then finally in chapter 9, we're going to look at precast concrete. You may see this in terms of some construction will use precast concrete. If you're driving along, for instance, 210 up towards Oxon Hill, and you see those sound barriers on the side that they're dropping in, that's precast concrete. When you see the highway dividers that they can pick up and move, that's precast concrete. Even bridge construction, a lot of times, the main overpass, those segments are precast concrete. So we'll look at those types of things and when you would use those. Some of the things you have to consider in the concrete is what's the strength, what's the structural criteria, how flexible does it need, what weight does it need to withstand, how difficult is it to build the form structure. Is it easier to cast it in, precast and then bring it to the job site? If I'm doing precast, what's the transportation requirements? How large is it? What are the restrictions? Think about things like going up, major bridge construction and closing down a road to move large segments of a bridge. So we'll look at those things. So as you move through the chapters, take a look around your workplace, your house, as you drive around. Think about things that you may see in terms of concrete, the different usages, what type of concrete it may be, how it may be employed, whether it's cast in place, whether it's precast, what the form requirements are, those types of things. Make sure you keep up on the assignments this week, and as always, I look forward to seeing your work. Thank you.